How do you make money? You can make money online through freelancing, selling products like digital products or fair dropshipping, creating content like starting a blog or YouTube channel, or by doing tasks such as online survey or visual assistance. Other popular methods including affiliate marketing, online tutoring, and print-on-demand service. Let's look at freelancing and services. Freelance, your skill in area like writing, graphic designing, programming, or web development on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Become a virtual assistant to help business with administrative, technical, or creative tasks. Offer your service as a social media manager, transcriptor, or online tutor. Create a sell digital product such as ebook, template, or online courses. Selling products. Start a dropshipping business by selling products online without handling inventory yourself. Sell on print demand products like t-shirts or mug with your design. Sell handmade crafts or arts on platforms like ETSY, eBay, and others. Sell your used items or create a reseller business. Content creation and media. Start a blog, newsletter, and monetize it through ads, affiliate link, or by selling products. Monetize a YouTube channel by earning from ads, sponsorship, or by selling your own products. Start a podcast and explore advertising or sponsoring opportunities. License your photography to stock photo websites in different websites. Simple task and survey. Take online survey or participate in online focus group through like Swapbox and Moosend. Test websites and apps to provide feedback on user experience. Complete micro tasks on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk. There are a lot of ways to make money online. By becoming online tutor, start a dropshipping business, affiliate marketing, make a course, monetize a blog, selling printables, sell photos online, write an ebook, monetize a YouTube channel, podcasting, selling printing on demand products, become a consultant, become an influencer, copywriting, freelancing, sell handmade crafts or arts, selling products, Shopify, take survey, test websites and apps, virtual assistants, YouTube content creation, become a content consumer, and blogging. See you in my next video. But make sure you subscribe to this channel for more of this video.